Hello from the fantastic city of Fez in Morocco. The DreamWorldExporer in association with GPSmyCity. So we're heading through the Casbah towards the Medina. Now, whoop, hold on. So we may be in luck because I've been told that there's a festival in the Medina today. So have a wander down here, quick bite to eat, a little bit of breakfast, coffee, and then we're just in time for the festival. Hello. Pomegranate juice, please. Freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. Doesn't get better than this. Pomegranates are in season. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Yeah, that's really nice. Really refreshing. Beautiful. So guys, I've just been into the Medina. Yeah, I got lost. It's just taken me the best part of 2 hours to find my way out again. So now found a cafe just outside the Blue Gates and having a well-deserved orange juice and a coffee. Oh, traumatic. For lunch today, I'm having kofta. Kofta with egg and tomato with fresh bread. Wow, piping hot. Very good. Again, you can taste the spices. Cumin in there, they'll be using the 45 spice blend. Delicious, flavoursome. Moroccans do have a sweet tooth. All these sweets Sweet treats.
GPSmyCity is a handy app with thousands of self-guided walks to help explore places you visit. Lose yourself without getting lost. The app turns your phone into a personal tour guide using the built-in GPS function. The tours and articles included in this app operate offline without any need of data plan or internet connection, so you don't need to worry about expensive roaming. The DreamWorldExporer created a self-guided city tour using the GPSmyCity app to visit locations throughout the city.
Using the GPSmyCity app, this time I'm finding my way around easily and never get lost again. The Blue Gates, the entrance to the Casbah, made famous by a very famous French seductive, Pepe Le Mocco, who took refuge in the Casbah as he was being chased down. Fresh chicken. The Royal Palace, or the Royal Citadel. Between the 12th and the 17th century, the Sultan decided he wanted the most heavily forted citadel in North Africa. Behind me is the Place de la Resistance, and if I turn you around 180 degrees, is the avenue of Hussein II.
I go to Fez now.
Maybe. I hope.